Are you thinking of buying a home in the southern Utah area? Whether you have owned a home before or it's been a while since you've purchased, let's talk about the pros and the cons to help you make the best decision. Hi, I'm Daniel Stewart with Red Rock Real Estate. Now, if you're thinking about buying a home in the St. George area, there are some fantastic benefits to home ownership. Let's start with the pros. Number one, your wealth can grow as you build equity in your home. Experts and economists like those in the Home Price Expectations Survey believe that home values will continue to appreciate in the coming years. For example, experts project home prices to increase 4.7% in 2024 and about 3.1% in 2025. If you look at these terms of a $250,000 home over 6 years, you could gain more than $42,000 in appreciation. That's a powerful way to build wealth. Now, number two, you can take advantage of the tax benefits. Mortgage interest is often tax deductible. According to the IRS, be sure to talk with your accountant for the specific numbers and how this could work for you. Number three, rent prices are rising. According to CoreLogic, while rent growth may be slow, rents remain high and are expected to continue to increase. Owning a home allows you to avoid unpredictable rent hikes and provides more control over your housing costs. Number four, fixed rate mortgages stabilize your monthly payments. Unlike renting, where your landlord can raise the rent, and fixed rate loans ensure your payments remain steady, making it easier to budget. Number five, a home gives you and your family a secure place to live and grow. Plus, you can decorate and modify your home and suit your style, making it a true reflection of your personality. Number six, you gain a sense of community. Homeowners are often more engaged in their neighborhoods, working together to improve schools, parks, and public safety. Owning a home connects you to the community in a unique way. Now let's talk about the cons, because it's important to be realistic when making a decision. Number one, maintenance cost. Owning a home means you are responsible for keeping it in good shape. From small repairs to large projects, maintenance can take a time and money. Think of it like owning a car. You got to keep it running smoothly to avoid big problems later. Number two, buying a home ties up your cash. Selling a house isn't always easy, especially within the first few years of ownership. This means you may have less flexibility if you need to relocate for a job or other reasons. Number three, home values can fluctuate. While appreciation is common, the housing market can go through downturns. It's important to be prepared for this possibility. Number four, homeownership is a financial commitment. You need to make monthly mortgage payments no matter what. Having a financial safety net for unexpected situation is always a smart idea. Buying a home is a big decision, and I know it can feel overwhelming, but that's where I come in. My team and I are here to help you navigate the process, answer your questions, and make sure you feel confident every step of the way. So give me a call today, and we'll take the worries off of your plate and guide you towards making an informed decision that's right for you and your family. As always, make it a great day. I'm Daniel Stewart with Red Rock Real Estate.